ng blood sugar level, taas kayo. So, naman, taas juga ako blood sugar, 275, and I was about to be amputated, my foot. But I said, no amputation, please. Just give me massive treatment. Mura ako doktor, no? Doktora Mendoza. Nagpagka-MD, said. So, wala, naputol akong tiil, massive treatment. But, ni-undergo o deprivement, kanang gikuha ang dead cells. But that's not the end of the story. Na-notice na nako, I noticed that there was a lump on my right breast. But I did not pay attention to it because it did not bother me at the time. What bothered me was my foot. So, last October, I noticed nga, dako man, it grew bigger. And then, one morning, hibuho ko, nag-bleed. Nag-bleeding siya. So I was so scared to death. So I went to the doctors. Primero, I'm really very special to God. Ano? I went to one of the hospitals. Why, doctor? Kaya sayo, kay kusanan, 8 o'clock. I went to an oncologist. Wasan kay nag-chemo. And then the secretary said, Ma'am, oncologist, dili ka na siya sa kanang breast cancer. So I went to an OB-GYN. Ingon ng OB-GYN, Tia, you need a surgeon. Sinidagan na sa ko surgeon. So there, pagtanaw niya siya, suspect. Ang kanang kuang ka, stage 3 cancer ka, you have to be operated on. And you have to undergo chemotherapy. Ako, I'm a very practical person. So, Doctor, how much? You have to be very frank, no? Ayaw pagprogram ni Ingnon. So, how much? So, mana. About 100. And then with chemo, tingali mo ako to 200. I don't have that money. I'm a retiree, a simple government employee. Atong panahon na, wapa kong dawat sa convention, and atong panahon na, although nag-lump-sum ko, hurot sa kaya sa mga daily pagkaon na to and other needs. So I said, I went home. O nga, I don't have that money. If I die, I will die. With the operation, with chemo, if I die, I will really die. So I said, Lord, help me, guide me. And there was a tiny voice in my heart. Do you believe in that? When you pray, there was a tiny voice in my heart which said, go back to the alternative medicine center and pangayo dito tambal ang muda ng bleeding sa imong breast. And that was the first time I was introduced to Max GXL. Pakpak! To be very frank with you, ako resources limited kayo, so titihik sa palit. Underdosage ko, pero after 3 days, ang bleeding ni-stop. Oh, ako ganitong pamutangan o panyo, ako din kaya nga no, bleed man gid siya. After 3 days, na-stop ang bleeding. And then, I noticed nga ang lump, nag-anam sa siya kagamay. And as I said, because I'm always praying to my abogados and abogadas in heaven, like Pedro Calungsod, that was the time man nga nag-National Thanksgiving ta. O Pedro, i-canonization ni mo ha. Kinanglan, ma-healed na gid ko. Demanding kayo, no? Ma-healed na gid ko, i-canonization ni mo, October 21. So, through his intercession ha, kaya di ba na siya Ginoo. Through his intercession, gi-guide yun ko ni Lord to a person nga maka-provide yun ako o Max GXL to the max. Wala tihik-tihik. And because nakita mo yun ako ang benefits sa akong health, I became a Max GXL associate. And karon, I have made it my apostolate and my mission to help the sick people, especially those nga maglisod din taon ang bayad sa hospital, maglisod ang bayad sa doctors. So before you go to the hospital, at the doctors, the laboratory, and all the drugs in the whole world, take Max GXL. That is now my mission. And number two, to free you from financial disease. No? Kaya kita tanan, doon na sa tayo mga sakit sa bulsa. No? So, Max will save you from physical health and will save you from financial kanang problems. Thank you very much.